I'm finally back inside my workshop. It's been a couple of months now where I've been inside my new house and refurbished it, so I hadn't have no time being here outside in the workshop. Before I can start making anything inside here, I have to do a cleanup. The workshop now is in total shambles. Everything is just put on top of each other and everything is just a big mess. I do have big plans for this space, but first I have a job to do. Now it's morning again and it took me approximately 12 hours to get everything out of the garage, or almost everything. I have big plans for this space. Here I have a model of the whole garage. I am standing approximately in this area now, talking to you. And here, as you can see, I have plans to make a wall all the way down the garage in this area. This wall is going to separate the main room from two smaller rooms. The two smaller rooms are going to be one metal workshop in that corner. This room, on the other hand, is going to be a bit bigger. So this is going to be the noise and dust room. Of course, I'm going to have machines in the main room, like the table saw that makes dust, but I'm going to make a dust extraction system to take care of most of that. Anyhow, in this noise and dust room, I'm going to fit the dust extractor in the corner. I'm going to have my metal cabinet with different chemicals. The CNC machine is going here towards the metal room, tools and stuff on the corner. Here I have my belt sander, my spindle sander, and underneath here is the compressor. As you can see on the wall here, I have gotten hold of some old but good veranda doors with glass. I'm going to attach that door like a window permanently in the wall here. And on this side of the glass, I'm going to have a sliding barn door or a sliding door. This is also a door I have gotten from another part of my house. As you can see in the metal workshop, which is going to be this small room here, I have my metal lathe and I'm also going to have my metal bandsaw and I'm going to have my welder and a welding table. So it's going to be a cramped room. I don't do much metal work, so that's okay. In the main part of the room, which is going to be this side of the garage, I'm going to have the wood lathe with woodworking tools on top. I'm going to have the router table. Here we have the workbench I made. Here we have the table saw I am in the progress of making. On the far side, that side of the main room, I'm going to have the miter saw station with storage space underneath and maybe on top. This area of the workshop is going to house the jointer thicknesser, the drill press and the bandsaw. Right inside the entrance door, I am thinking about having the plate storage. All these plans may change as I go along, of course. These are just thoughts in my mind. And as we all know, reality and theory is quite two different things. Yeah. Now that I've cleared out this space, my plan now is to make this wall all the way down the garage with the openings for the window, the sliding door and a door for the metal room. And of course I'm also going to put in the wall that separates the noise and sanding room and the metal working shop room. Yeah. So let's go. As you see, I have now finished with all the construction in the walls. I have insulated all the walls. The job now is to put OSB plates on the outside of the wall. The OSB plates is going to go on this outer wall. It's also going to go inside this sanding noise room. Inside the metal room, I am going to use plasterboards. This is to make it semi-fireproof, so I can weld and grind and do things like that inside the metal workshop room or booth. Over to the OSB plates.